everybody, it's Bunny! I should have saved showing you guys this for a Spirit Halloween hurl. It's pretty fantastic. It even has, I almost called these gills. These are not gills, they're fins. Oh. Today, you guys, we're gonna be going through another big, giant tub. We're doing a video like I did last week for Vlogoween. I pulled every single Halloween bin out of storage this year to actually get everything organized. And I got lots of questions in the comments because I am calling these videos decluttering. They are to a point decluttering. Some of these items I may be parting with, but mostly what I'm trying to do is get everything organized because I kept like picking things up and I'm like, oh, this goes in the pumpkin box. I feel like a lot of these items, like it's not really necessarily things to get rid of. It's more things to use and then potentially get rid of. When I say the pumpkin box, I have a box that we use every single year that's full of things all about like carving jack-o'-lanterns. It may be pattern books or saws or like there was these really cool things and I don't know if we did use them and get rid of them or maybe if they're in the pumpkin box, but they were these things that were, I don't know, maybe they were silicone or something. They looked really cool. I'm gonna try and see if I can find a photo of them, but they're like posable arms. Maybe some sets had legs, but they were like arms with fingers. It looked like trees or pumpkin vines or something. So, you know, anything that is like something that would be used to decorate a jack-o'-lantern or carve a jack-o'-lantern, that goes in the pumpkin box. And the same for most things I'm pulling out of here, like the socks that I found in the last box, all the Halloween socks. I have now ended up wearing tons of those pairs throughout the Halloween season. So that's mostly what I'm trying to do. I feel like more often than not, like things get chaotic, not because like I don't have a place for them or I don't have room for them or I don't have a use for them. It's just like a lot of these tubs, I would be buying these Halloween items like once they were on clearance after Halloween, and then I would just be like doing other things, getting ready for Christmas, whatever. And so they all ended up like getting shoved in these miscellaneous tubs. And I don't feel like I've ever had a year before where I could just like really like go through each of the tubs and like see what's in it. So that's basically what I'm trying to do this for. Like all the tights, the socks and stuff, like I have a drawer in my closet that's like specifically for those items. Some of the costumes I may be keeping, some of them I may be getting rid of. All the trick-or-treat like handout stuff, I would probably like to go ahead and just give it away this year. So that's what I'm basically trying to do, is see if I can like downsize, declutter, and basically just get everything organized. Maybe we'll even find the earthworm costume, which I don't know if I've talked about this on this channel, but my beloved earthworm costume. I am really hoping that I didn't get rid of that. Look at this! It's a mask. I don't know why I feel like this is a scarecrow. I don't think it is. Are you? I went ahead and like grabbed him. He was just like laying loosely in storage, but oh, it's a big giant. I got this from Spirit Halloween probably like 1,000 years ago. He needs some assistance, I think. But this guy is really large. I may put him on the porch or something with one of these masks. He may look better with this, honestly. I was thinking about maybe using him for the creature from the Black Lagoon this year, but I don't know if the creature from the Black Lagoon has, well, I guess he does have hands and feet. For some reason, I just thought maybe he's like a mermaid. Something that I actually got to do with my dad. We have been talking about attempting to grow pumpkins for years and years and years, and I'm starting to think maybe this is a slightly unrealistic dream. For the past several years, we have planted pumpkin seeds, and we get these like really large, beautiful pumpkin vines, which come and go though, but we've never gotten like a pumpkin. So I got this, I think even on Amazon. It's so cool. And I swear I just saw this on Instagram or something the other day. So you're supposed to put this Frankenstein head around a pumpkin as it's growing, and it will actually grow into the shape of this Frankenstein head. I think I got this guy last year. I love him, and I should sit him out somewhere now. He's so cute. And honestly, I just really cannot resist a skull, a skeleton. My favorite, literally my life favorite. I have always been deeply in love with skulls and skeletons. That's my favorite motif, I guess. He's very cute. He has like beans. He's like weighted, so he just sits there and looks cute. Oh, this is a hat. Yeah, I don't remember where I got this, but it is an Oogie Boogie hat. I've seen all these people do such cute like Oogie Boogie costumes. I swear they're taking like those Selkie like puff dresses and doing it like Oogie Boogie style. So I feel like, you know, I feel like this is definitely something I grabbed at like a very good like 70% off sale or something, because, you know, I'm always like thinking like, what would I want to do as a costume in the future? What would I want to do as like a costume for a video or something? I think we just have skull, and clearly I bought this and I haven't used it yet, but hide and eek is the Target thing. So when did I get this? Probably many years ago. Up next, something that I'm like, fingers crossed, I really hope that I'm gonna get this accomplished this year. I can't remember if I bought these last year or year before last. I put these in a trick-or-treat supply haul. I got these tiny notebooks from Oriental Trading. I thought these were so cute. They're just like little spiral notebooks, and they come with purple pins, but I thought it would be so cute to like, I've done things like this in the past where I put like Graveyard Girls Vlogoween like on pencils and stuff that I give out. I feel like it's just kind of like a cute little custom touch that I like to do. So I got a stack of these. I think I got a couple stacks of these. I gave some away and I didn't have time to do what I wanted to do, which was to make little like designs on the Cricut machine and like really turn these into Halloween mini notebooks, because I feel like I do like to give away those tiny little pads of paper and everything at Halloween, like the little mini coloring books and the notebooks and stuff, but I really feel like this is even like more usable. You get lots of sheets of lined paper in here. So I don't know, I maybe want to put like Graveyard Girls Vlogoween and then like the year. So I think I just saved like 12 of them, and I'm hoping I'm gonna have time to do that this year. But honestly, you guys, the most embarrassing thing is I don't know how to use the Cricut machine. I have a Cricut machine and it's like, I can never really get the hang of it. It's like, it's wild. This is like a paper insert for something. A green bat. Oh, he looks so cool. Look at his red jeweled eyes. He almost looks like tie-dye. Pretty sure I got as a decoration for my Halloween Christmas tree. Oh no, he's kind of busted. I must use him as an ornament or something as well, but clearly something has happened there. Something that I probably got for the Halloween tree, but this is kind of large for an ornament, you know? I loved the concept though. It's a ghost dress. And it still lights up. This is definitely, I thought it was just like a plain black wooden box, but I will definitely use this year for the treat bucket assembly to put like a certain type of treats inside of it. This little guy I must have gotten at the dollar store or something. He's one of those solar powered little, you know, guys like that. Another bucket, which I'm sure I got for treat bucket purposes. It just has this really cool metallic spider web. See, I feel like this has a Walmart sticker on it, and Walmart is usually the place I can go and get so many like post-Halloween super good deals. This honestly looks like a lid to a tin or something. Where's the rest of the 10. A single treat bag. Halloween garland. New stuff gets kind of like thrown in the same bucket with stuff I've already used. Some pieces of, you guys, I wish I could truly just get like completely organized. Halloween confetti. And it looks like these are even dual-sided if you want. One side is glitter and one side is not glitter. This is literally just a wrapper. So this is just completely garbage from one of those balloons. I think I gave these away last year or some year. We actually tested those in a video like a million years ago. I feel like I got those from the Dollar Tree. You like hit these packets and they're these Mylar balloons. They kind of like explode out of the packaging. It's like another cute little mini gift bag. Floating LED candle. I feel like I saw that last year on TikTok. I feel like I see a lot of people like stick it to their ceiling so it kind of gives you that Hogwarts-esque look. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy, you guys. This definitely looks like some treat bag stuff. I feel like I've used this in years past. He's this cute little felt bag. Where did I get him from? I don't remember. Inside is just stacks and stacks and stacks of treat bags. I used to not do treat buckets where I like give away all the Halloween buckets. I used to just do, you know, goodie bags like this. I feel like I could make like an entire video or something just flipping through my collection of these. Oh, these are so cute. I guess there's like other things stuffed in between the bags. But oh, wow. Okay, maybe I do need to like go through this because here's some of those like Halloween garbage bags in essence. You like fill them up with leaves. Up next, yard stakes. These are so cute. Why have I not used these yet? See, I should use these right now. One's a skull and that bat just has an adorable little face. I got this probably to stick in one of the Halloween Christmas trees. It's supposed to be a witch broom, but I feel like I got this from Walmart like super duper cheap. And I've gotten some things like this from the dollar store as well. I like to just decorate my Halloween trees with a bunch of like weird, like sometimes even like costume pieces, just because I can like stick this in the tree and then just this like Tinsley part sticks out. 2 gigantic bloodshot eyes. This is good stuff to find now because I will definitely finally use these this year and not buy any new ones. It is your generic ye old Halloween spider web bags. And I hope that they still include a spider inside. I used to love that when I was a kid. It was always just like the joy of the evening to find the plastic spider hidden in the spider web bag. That's so cool. Ooh, it does. Isn't it still glowing? Oh, it is! Look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell with the filming lights, but it glows and then it stays on. That's so cool. I feel like I do have other sign decorations that are this big on the Christmas tree, or I have in years past. I feel like sometimes I have to get like selective of like, oh, I put this ornament on the tree this year, so maybe I'll put a different one on the tree next year. So it kind of like looks a little different every year. This is a wall hanging. I definitely remember getting this and it's so cute. Look at all these skulls. We have another little trick or treat sign. Definitely got this for the tree. Ooh, this must be, yeah, I think I got these one year and then loved them. That's the thing too, is sometimes Amazon after the Halloween season, they put like the Halloween giveaway treats like on super sale. So sometimes I go back through like what I ordered, and if there's something that I really like that I think I would like to give away again in a future year, I will go ahead and order it on Amazon and get it. So I think that maybe that was what I got these for, because you do only get 4 of them, so they're definitely a pricier giveaway item. But look at how cool that is. It's like one of those little wands and it's on a necklace. So yeah, definitely time to give these guys away this year, but I feel like I have to at least keep one for myself. Another, this is like the skull sign, but it's these 3 cute little jack-o'-lanterns. Somebody in the comments last time said be careful about using old balloons. I wonder how old these are. I feel like I would not give these out. I feel like I would just like decorate with them. So I guess if they like pop, like they'll just pop on me and that'll be fine. Are these gloves? Oh, beautiful. I feel like, look at that. See, I feel like one year I bought like several alien things, like when Spirit was closing for the year. That's from Spirit. Where are all the other alien pieces? I guess we have to keep opening boxes. Ooh, see, I wonder where I can like just take him and get like helium or something, because he's like a ghost inside, and then this part is like clear bats. Oh, okay, so this is a game. It's the bean bags that went to a game. I never used these. My mom and I like made some larger, better, more Halloween fabric bean bags, but I used to set out like a carnival game experience for the trick-or-treaters and stuff. I think I have 2 games, but the one I remember, it looks like a skull on the board and it's like these little like beanbag toss things. Definitely in the years that I do cotton candy and stuff, which is every year prior to 2020, there would be like a line like of trick-or-treaters forming. So I feel like people get bored. So I started putting out like little fun like carnival games and stuff. So these were the bean bags that like came with the board, but we never used these. Then we have a rat. It's another rat. Last time I feel like we found a gray rat. Oh no, this is all ripped. So now this is like garbage too. I was trying to just like save one of these for my own memories, but I gave these away a couple of years ago. They were those like scratch art kits. You get like this little tool and then this almost looks like a chalkboard. So you can like draw and make your own designs on the skeleton. This, which I definitely got to clip on the Halloween tree. He's like a glittery pumpkin with a little clip. We have this, and I definitely got him for an ornament. You know, he's definitely an ornament. He's like made out of tinsel even. So it's just a cute little tinsel spider that's like black and silver. And we have this, which is also a clip-on ornament. Beware! And it's like a little wooden cutout sign. We have a glitter spider web on a suction cup. I don't know, it's so weird, you guys, because I love the look of glitter, but I am terrified of glitter. I'm like holding that like 1,000 yards away from my face. This is definitely a good find as well. I'm gonna put this with my other treat bag receptacles. Here are a couple of these, and you guys, they don't make these anymore. I wish they did. I loved giving these away a couple of years ago. I loved this design. I feel like y'all saw this design in the last video. It was this really cool like lenticular pen, but this was one of the other designs. It was like this neon skull, but they had these fabric frisbees. These were so cool. It's a thing I've wanted to do every year. You guys, I have one of those web blaster things, and these are the sticks. So you're supposed to be able to like cast webs like wherever you want spider webs to be. Have another glitter pumpkin clip-on ornaments. There's 2 tiny little, I almost said Jack-in-the-Box erasers ornaments. Trick or treat, Halloween. They look like little tags, and 1 single Frankenstein top. And that's it, you guys. Another box sorted out. So now that I'm done filming this video, I'm gonna take all of the items that we've sorted out and then put them in their respective buckets. So everything that is like to give away to the trick-or-treaters will go in those buckets. Everything that is a Halloween Christmas tree ornament will go in those buckets. And then that way, then I feel like I can really start like narrowing stuff down once I really see like, hey, this is all the ornaments. Maybe it's time to keep some, maybe it's time to part with some of them. Like here's all the containers for setting trick-or-treat stuff out. Maybe it's time to keep some, maybe it's time to downsize a little bit. So this is kind of like step 1 in the declutter and organization process. So stay tuned because I'm sure another one of these videos will be coming next week as well. I'm really having fun with this, and hopefully y'all are enjoying watching them as well. But anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye! Oh my god, guys, my toe is doing that thing. It's almost like a Charlie horse or something. Like, do you ever have where your toes cross over on one another? I feel like that means I'm missing some vitamins. Bloopers. I'll see y'all again very soon. Bye!